Okay, let's check our KSB1 cost center report. And this report will actually show us, but first, before that, OKKS, VAPS, KSB1, RAPS, cost center 100, 100, 104. Single values, single values, adopt. Okay, we have three cost elements from 01 to 1023. Execute. Primary cost posting is the layout of the report. Okay, 72,000. 72,000. We'll choose a layout, and that will be primary cost posting. Okay. Offsetting account, and we have currency USD. Let's choose another layout, cost center posting with partner cost object. Okay, coin business transaction is coin, reference document 104. And we'll choose another layout, primary, with currency and segment. We want a segment to see what segment are we using. So what is a segment here? Offsetting account, cash account, rand, USD. Where is the segment? Okay, let's choose a segment. It is not showing here. We need offsetting account, currency, cost element name, segment. Enter, adopt. Okay, cost center 104. 101, 1002, 1003. Execute. Okay. Choose layout. And we have 101, 102, 103. And this is what has been entered. Okay. Now let's go to the next step. Next step is Okay. Now we will create a plant admin cost center, and receiving will be 102, 103, and 1 with 75, 25, 200 number of employees. 25% will be rent going to 101 as expense. Vehicle maintenance will be charged 30%, and same will be the case with other cost centers. Cost recorded cost center plant admin by FI postings will be through 400, 500, 400, 600 vehicle maintenance. We will have these entries. Total plant admin charges will be 81, and these will be charged in the name of salaries to these accounts, and this will be distributed. 72,000 will be distributed. Okay. So next step is KS01. 1011. Master data 01. Enter plant maintenance. Gym cost center category will be administration. Hierarchy area standard hierarchy. Profit center blank. Okay, the blank profit center means it is going to dummy profit center. Okay, that's done. So FS00 is the next step. Uh, Expenses. Copy. Vehicle plant maintenance. Count. Save. Saved. Okay. KANK. Controlling area is WAPs. Change groups. RKIV. Over actual overhead distribution, because we are going to distribute this WAPs 09 attached to the segment, and RKIV. This will be the number range of the documents that will be generated. Save. Okay. /n KK01 EMP master data is already there. More change. Now this is a statistical key figure. Now, what is statistical key figure? This is the metric standard by which we will have fixed values of this salaries based on employees. We will distribute the cost fixed values. Okay. Now, it will be a fixed value because there are fixed number of employees in every department. Okay. So we'll save this. and will next step is KB31N EMP. EMP is statistical key figure. Now, what we are going to tell them is that 75 employees here, 25 here, 200 here. Okay. We have the numbers here. Okay. EMP maps. Post. Document is posted under 903. Now, this is just a document. Okay. Now, distribution cycle is a distribution cycle. Okay, let me just distribution cycle. KSV1 maps. We will create a cycle from here, but before that, scenario is plant admin charges are to be shared between three cost centers based on different criteria. Option 1, cycle is 1 for salaries, rent and vehicle maintenance. Segment 1 for salaries, segment 2 for rent, segment 2 for vehicle maintenance. Option 2 is cycle 1 for salaries, segment 1 for salaries, rent and vehicle maintenance. Here we have 3 segments. Here we have only 1 segment. Option 3 is cycle 1 for salaries, segment 1 for salaries. Assessment cycle for rent, assessment cycle for vehicle, and segment 1 for vehicle maintenance. Okay, so we will actually stay with option 1, which is simpler and easier to understand. Okay. Okay, KSV1 WAP2 start date 01/11/2023. Enter. Now, plant admin costs and distribution, and it will be iterative. Iterative means it will run with every period end, with every month. Attach segment. Now, segment name, salary distribution. This is distribution cycle. It will be posted amounts from FI. It will be shared 100%, and it will be actual values. Okay. It will be originating from actual values of FI. Okay. Receiver role variable portions mean different percentages between cost centers will be different employees based on employees. Okay. And variable portion type will be actual statistical key figures. Actual employees. Statistical key figure is employees. Sender receiver from 1011. This is the cost collector from FI. Cost element that will be used is 400, 500, which is salaries. Okay. Receiver will be group PROD production. Tracing factor. Now, tracing factor of the receiver is what? EMP, employee. Based on this, sender will send cost using cost element this through this cost center to production, that is distribution, and that's it. Okay. Attach new segment, rent, rent distribution. Okay, actual values, receiver variable, actual cost, and posted amount. Posted amount. Okay. That segment sender rule, fixed percent receiver rule is fixed percentages. Okay. Sender receivers 1011, 400, 600. Cost centers will be fraud, receiving tracing factor. 101 percentage will be 25, 50, 25. Okay. Attach segment, vehicle maintenance, vehicle maintenance, fixed percentages, posted amount 100%, sender receiver 1011, 400, 400 to 203. Fraud, receiving tracing factor 30, 60, 10. Okay, now this cycle has been posted. Now, FB01L 0111 2023 0111 2023 400 500. Okay, 40 45,000 1011 and 40 400 600 27,000 1011 40 400 400 does not exist. Okay, 4 400 Okay, vehicle maintenance 203. Okay, 203 203 and 18,000 1011 50,200,691, which is cash account. $90,000. Display document overview. Okay. Post 105 was posted. Okay. Now let's run the distribution cycle, which is in the 8th month. Okay. ASV5 period 8 to 8, 2023. Cycle is WAP 2. Zero 05/11, 2023. Cost distribute. Three nine. Okay, warning. I hope this time it doesn't give any zeros. It is giving zero. Okay, line items are here. This is what we were trying in the last time. Last time, I guess our cycle was not working, was not configured properly. Okay, so this is given in USD. Okay, controlling area currency, valuation area, controlling area currency, and let's execute it. Test run, execute. Line items, document number 904. Okay, US dollar. Okay, we can change the layout, and the change of layout will be controlling area currency, save as. WAP currency. Center USD, and profit segment. So we'll have segment here, save as. We have segment VA, passenger vehicle, using cost elements, and this has been transferred to 101, 102, 103, and to the production. So in the end, 101 is credited and the balance is 0 in 101. Okay, got it? Easy. Document. Display document. Accounting document. And this is your document. 101 is reporting to dummy document. Transaction is C01. Okay, vehicle plant maintenance has been transferred. Whatever is credited is crediting 1011. All is getting credited. So your 101 is empty, and that's how you run the distribution cycle. Easy? Yeah. So 400 203 KSB1 KSB KSB1 101 cost element is 203 400 500 400 600 adopt 1011 execute, and this is what has been sent 45,000. Okay. RKIV, which is we already added to the numbering range, if you remember. And these are the rent and vehicle maintenance amounts that have been transferred. The ones that has not been transferred have not been included in this distribution cycle. That's why we have 45,000 remaining in salary. Okay. From the previous transactions because of that error that we were getting. Okay. So that is how you actually run the distribution cycles. Controlling your VAPs 1 to 12, plan version 0, actual valuation, cost center group. Execute. Okay. So these are your entries that have been actual, no planned cost have been entered. Okay. And you can see it from the other individual cost centers as well. Okay. We'll stop our session here because this was an